Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raven Janelle, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did these lemonade braids on myself. These are the pictures that I used for like a reference kind of. But yeah, I'm starting off by parting my hair in 3 sections. I'm going to do like a back section, a middle section, and then the little top portion. But yeah, I'm going to just let y'all watch me do that. And I'm also using Shining Jam to like clean up my parts and all that. And everything I use will be linked in my description. So yeah, check out my description if you want to know what I'm using for my braids. So this is what my hair is looking like now that I sectioned everything. And now I'm going to start braiding my small braids. So I did the first braid off camera, but basically I don't really know how to explain it because I don't even know if I do it correctly, honestly. But the way that I do it is I like cornrow my hair until like, I don't know, until I just feel like I need to add hair. But I add like small pieces of like braiding hair. And yeah, I just like keep feeding them in on the same side. And yeah, I just, keep doing that. And as for the braids, I didn't have like a certain way that like parting the braid, like how I wanted my braids to come out, like when I parted it. I didn't really have like a specific way. That's what I was saying. I was just kind of using those reference pictures to kind of, figure out how to do it. So yeah, I would say just watch what I'm doing because it's hard for me to really explain. I have a question for the people that either do hair or just know how to do their own hair. Um, if you know how to do feed-in braids, do you feed, like, when you do your hair, do you braid all the way down? Like, do you braid one braid all the way down, or do you just braid halfway and then, like, maybe tie it back and then start on the next one? Because me, I always try to finish all my braids, but I was like, I don't know if that makes it take longer. So yeah, I'm just kind of curious. Leave it below in the comments. I also wanted to say too that I did have a mirror in front of me and behind me, so I wasn't just like, magically parting my hair. Although I do slightly feel like I'm a magician, because I feel like I can create something out of nothing when it comes to hair. So yeah, but yeah, I did have a mirror helping me though. So once I finished all my braids, I'm just gonna sew a piece of thread through them just to keep them together, and so they won't like, cause you can like see through them and stuff. So when you sew it together, it just looks more like uniform and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna sew that all the way down. And I would say when you get to the back, maybe double tie it or loop it a few times, because after like 2 weeks, the back braids, they did like come loose from the thread. So yeah, I would say like double tie it so it would last longer. But yeah. so now I'm gonna be dipping my ends. I'm actually using this little kettle pot that I got off of Amazon. If you want to purchase the same one, you can use the link in my description to purchase. They also have different colors too. Like I think they have like a pink one, a black one, a red one. But yeah, and I also added some curls to my braids. I didn't get a chance to record that, but I did include it in my little TikTok video. So if you want to follow my TikTok account, it's gonna be in my description. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. Please make sure you're subscribed, and also comment any other videos you would like to see from me. But yeah.